Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Pipedream versus N8n versus Make versus Zapier. Pipedream, N8n, Make and Zapier, these are all automation platforms that allow users to automate workflows and integrate various services and APIs without writing code. Each has unique features, strengths and weaknesses. So the first one is Pipedream. The overview of Pipedream is that it is a cloud-based integration platform that allows developers to connect APIs, automate workflows, and run serverless functions with minimal overhead. It's known for its flexibility, focusing heavily on developer-centric use cases, enabling custom scripting and deeper control over workflows. Key features of Pipedream is that there's a visual interface, it's highly customizable with support for JavaScript, Python, Go and more. It runs workflows as serverless functions, meaning you only pay for what you use. It supports thousands of APIs from common tools like GitHub, Slack to niche APIs. Users can write custom code for complex integrations, handles everything from simple to highly complex workflows, supporting scalability and distributed systems. It is ideal for developers who want to integrate APIs and build complex workflows with custom code. Serverless functions and event-driven architecture are great for scalable applications. It is suitable for automating API calls and data processing tasks that require custom logic. Developers have more control over the automation process, enabling complex logics, supports many programming languages and integrations, and it offers a generous free trial for experimenting and small projects. While Pipedream has a visual interface, it's more suited to developers due to the heavy reliance on coding. It is less intuitive compared to some other no-code tools. While the overview of N8n is that it is an open source automation platform designed to automate tasks, connect APIs and workflows. It emphasizes a high degree of control and flexibility, offering an open source alternative to other automation tools. It's more developer focused but also offers a visual workflow builder. Key feature of N8n is that it is free to use and modify with an option to host it yourself. You can run it on your own servers for complete control and privacy, build workflows with drag and drop nodes, making it accessible for non-developers. N8n has built-in integrations for over 200 services, including Slack, Google Sheets, and more. Users can write custom code within the workflows for more advanced logic. It is best for teams looking for an open-source automation solution, great for complex workflows that require custom logic but with a visual interface. It is suitable for privacy-conscious businesses who want to self-host the platform. You can use N8n for free and modify it as needed. It can support custom code and flexible workflows. It offers full control over your data and infrastructure if you choose to self-host. While N8n can be self-hosted, the setup can be challenging for non-technical users. Fewer community resources compared to more established platforms like Zapier. While the overview of Make is that it is an advanced automation tool that allows users to build multi-step workflows and automate complex tasks by connecting different services. It is often used for automation where simple Zapier workflows might fall short, with features like advanced data manipulation and more granular control over logic. Key features of Make is that it uses a drag-and-drop interface to create powerful automation workflows. It supports conditional logic, loops, filters, and iterators for complex workflows. It supports thousands of services from email apps to cloud platforms like Google Cloud and AWS. It offers powerful built-in tools to transform data and automate complex business logic. You can run scenarios at specific times, intervals, or in response to an event. It is great for teams and individuals who need advanced workflow automation with conditional logic. It is suitable for integrating more complex business processes like data syncing, CRM, e-commerce integrations. It is ideal for businesses with complex automation requirements that exceed Zapier's capabilities. It is suitable for users with advanced automation needs. It is capable of handling more complex use cases with multiple steps and conditions, and it includes hundreds of pre-built integrations for many services. It is more complex than Zapier, so there may be a learning curve for beginners, and some of the most advanced features are gated behind higher tier plans. While the overview of Zapier is that it is one of the most popular automation platforms available today, it allows users to create simple workflows called zaps between apps and services, such as sending emails when a new form is filled or syncing data between Google Sheets and a CRM system. It's known for its ease of use and wide range of integrations. Key features are that it is simple, intuitive interface that allows users to create automation workflows without any coding knowledge. It integrates with over 5,000 apps, including popular tools like Slack, Gmail, Google Sheets, Trello, and more. It creates workflows that include multiple actions, examples send an email, add a contact to a CRM, etc. Numerous templates available to quickly set up automation, and it is designed for non-technical users to create automation easily. It is best for small to medium-sized businesses that need simple automations, ideal for individuals or teams who want quick, no-code solutions to streamline repetitive tasks. It is excellent for small businesses or startups with simple integrations needs between apps. Extremely user-friendly with a low learning curve, supports over 5,000 apps, set up workflows in minutes with pre-built templates. It can be restrictive for complex workflows with conditional logic or advanced data manipulation. The free tier has limitations and higher tier plans can become expensive for heavy usage. Pipedream allows you to write code, JavaScript, Python, etc. within workflows for greater flexibility. It is serverless, integrates with many apps, runs custom code, and supports complex workflows. Developers who want fine-grained control over workflows and prefer coding. While N8n is an open source, self-hosted or cloud-based, no-code or low-code automation, it offers full control over your data as it can be self-hosted. It supports a visual drag-and-drop interface. It is an open source, highly customizable, integrates with many apps, and offers advanced workflow logic. Users who want an open source customizable solution and are comfortable with self-hosting. While Make include no-code automation and cloud-based, it is powerful visual builder for creating complex workflows with detailed logic and advanced features like rotors or iterators. Visual builder, extensive integrations, real-time execution, and complex scenario building. Users who need advanced workflows and prefer a visual interface without needing to code. While Zapier includes no-code automation, cloud-based, it is easy to use, quick setup for automating workflows with many pre-built templates. It is simple, intuitive interface, integrates with thousands of apps, ideal for beginners. It is best for users who need fast, simple automations and don't want to deal with complexity. So this is the difference between Pipedream, N8n, Make, and Zapier. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.